Well, Esther's car is back in the shop. Got to basically finish up a few little things that are not working. One is the power steering. I don't understand what is happening. I kind of pulled a line off. There's fluid. I don't know. It just doesn't look like it's actually pumping. Reading, apparently I've heard that if there's air in it, it'll do that, but I don't know. Usually you see a gurgling doing something and the pump is just dead. It's just sitting there flat. But I'm going to drain it, or I'm going to pull the return line off, see if it goes. I popped the one line, like the pressure line off, and it was actually, well, now that I think about it, it was flowing. I don't know if it should do that. I wonder if there's a check valve didn't go in or something, now that I think about that. I wonder if there's supposed to be something in there. No, I don't know. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it just bolts in and is done. I don't know. I might drain it, have a peek, see what's going on. What else do we got? Something with the heater switch is not working. Got to look at that. We had that little thunk in the back. So I'm thinking all I got to do is I'm either going to just pry away at that back spacer plate. I don't know, whatever you call it. The wheel weights in the back are touching there's a backing plate just for, I don't know, to cover the back of the drum so the lip isn't exposed, I guess. I don't really know what, I haven't seen that before, but this particular car's got that, and I think it just touches it. So that's getting that clunky noise. And it sounds like I got a bad injector or something, so, or two, surprise. But I'm gonna have to see if we can test and find which one is dying. It just seems to be at idle. When we're driving, it's fine, so there must be a bad injector or two that at idle, the thing sounds like it's got a cam now, but it doesn't. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick look. Anyways, I'm gonna go dig into this power steering. Like I say, I think I'm just gonna, man, these cars are so much of a pain to put on the hoist. I might just sit and work on the floor here, because I really don't feel like trying to set this car up to put on the hoist. Because it's that X-frame and the arms aren't long enough, so you gotta like jimmy rig and do all kinds of things. Anyways, we tried to clean the car a bit, but not too much you can do. It's so muddy and rainy out, which is good. We need the rain here, so. But overall, it worked. So I might start the car and put my little HP tuners on, and then kind of go through and just kill injectors and just see if the motor dies, and then we can probably pinpoint which one is the problem. But first things first, we need power steering, because it's pretty brutal without it. Well, I have this pump, but I don't have a proper puller, so I don't know. The only thing that makes sense to me is drill a hole in here. I don't know why that's not an option. That just makes sense to me. And that way we can take the bolts out. I don't think it's going to hurt anything on the pump. I don't see why it would make a difference. I guess somebody can tell me why that's a bad thing to do, but I think it'll work fine. Because hindsight, I should have made that a little bit lower. Live and learn. Not perfect, but I think it'll do. Look at that, eh? All right. Well, let's do the same on there. And this should be a relatively easy swap out. Is that gonna work? I don't know. Out with the old, in with the new used. All right. See what happens. Yeah. Okay, what have we done?
What have we done?
You don't know. I got the power steering working, but it's like the car's got a bad miss or something. So I kind of been farting around trying to figure out what's going on. But it's kind of random. I have like the computer scanner to check, but I'm getting like tons and tons of misfires.
It was not running very nicely this morning.
No, and we were coming back. It wasn't very good.
No.
You can kind of hear it. But the power steering works. That's a win.
Yay.
Back to nice steering.
Yay.
I don't know. I've never had a pump go bad, so that was like completely new to me.
That was weird. No, it shouldn't sound very good.
No, I just definitely... What's weird is I can turn stuff on and off on here, but... I think it's just because of those injectors that were all gummed up and everything else, so... I think I'm just going to order some new ones and not even play. Like, you could maybe take them apart, clean them, do stuff. I think I'm just going to throw some new ones in and be done.
Yeah.
Because I can't even pinpoint which ones are bad. Usually if you connect up, like the HP tuner has a scanner thing in here. Well,
Oh, yeah.
eventually it'll hook up here.
Eventually.
This kind of just tells you everything, like RPM,
Oh, there
how
we
warm
go.
it is, all that jazz, right?
We're online here. That's cool.
Yeah, so when I go into here, technically I can go in and like turn injectors on and off,
Oh,
But-
is that ever cool?
but you don't notice any change in the car running.
No, it's the same.
Yeah, and then even, so I physically go in and I'll disconnect an injector, but the car doesn't run anywhere. You would think if I disconnected one, like that.
It just did that.
Yeah, that's not right, but remember how, well, yeah, like I say, before I only had like 3 injectors that were working, so. It shouldn't die, but it should run rough, really rough. When I pop one, take one off, and that's just not the case. Like there's no noticeable change in the way the car's running, so there's definitely something going on. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to change injectors because that is what was giving us grief before.
Yeah.
Like, man.
This has just been a miserable swap, though. Like, just miserable.
I think it was running good before, but
Yeah. Oh, well.
I don't know. So, I'm going to do that. I got to look at your heater because right now we need a bit of heat.
It
so,
is freezing out today.
Yeah,
Oof.
I want to work on that.
Okay.
It's kind of the plan.
Yep.
That's about what my days consisted of so far. Other than that, I mean, it works.
I mean, I got to drive it, so
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy.
I looked at trying to bump your seat up because you were talking about your seat. was
Yeah, it
too low.
kind of slopes back.
It's just, I'm going to, yeah.
Don't worry about it. Just
We'll put a wedge cushion in there. That'll be
don't even worry about it.
that'll be your fix.
That'll be my fix.
So yeah, I'll have to get some injectors and then we'll just swap those out.
Okay. Appreciate it.
They're not a very expensive thing anymore. The fan did come on, but it's like, man, this rad is huge. It never came on at all.
It's massive.
Yeah. So, yeah, for now. I think until we order up some
She's
injectors.
sort of alive?
She's drivable.
She's She's driving. She's drivable.
It'd be much more enjoyable now. He's got a power steering.
Power steering. Yeah.
And it just sounds like you got a cool can.
But I don't. I want one, but I don't have one.
Yeah, I think that's about all I can do right now. I got to get my truck in, and I want to see if I can figure out what's with that. Right,
Yeah.
bud? Not supper yet.
Not even close.
Cool. Well, yeah.
Getting closer. She's almost my daily driver. Almost.
Almost. It's drivable. At least it'll always start.
Yep.
When we're driving, it's good. I was noticing I hesitant. Oh, that's what I wanted to check is the heater.
Right.
All right. Well, let's check that really quick.
Let's check that. And Pablo, let's check that. Yeah.
I have this on, but I'm trying to see if. Tell me if anything makes this wire move. You might have to hold that. I'll figure out how to put that back on after. I just don't know if any of the wires are hooked up inside that do that.
Okay.
Ugh. Like, does that move anything there?
I didn't see anything move, no.
That?
No. No.
This?
No.
It's got to be.
Absolutely
I must have
nothing.
rewired it because I think that one wire broke inside the car.
That happened a long time ago.
I think so. So
Yeah,
I think I
nothing
was
moved.
jumping it. I had this one wire and I just didn't know what it is. Now I'm starting to wonder if it's if I had it to power it on. That would
You
make
think
sense
so,
now.
maybe?
Well, remember the one switch didn't work in the car.
I remember.
Well, that was just today, but
Just stopped working one day.
I'm just gonna quickly just do a quick little something here to see.
See if that's something.
Yeah. I don't know which is what. Oh, that goes to the motor. I don't know. Let's just. Whoop.
Ooh. Saw that. Oh. Oh.
Well, we'll see. I'm just gonna see if that's one of the switches under the dash that I didn't know.
Yeah.
Not sure.
Okay.
I'll have to look at that. I don't know what the heck that thing is.
Still troubleshooting.
Yeah. A little more troubleshooting, but
Yeah.
get your heater going and that you'll need just for the weekend, then you probably don't have to worry about it again.
Hopefully not. I
All
mean,
right.
it is still May, so anything's possible here.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow.
I know, tomorrow, yeah. Oh, well.
Yeah. We'll get your heater going and
Yeah.
get some new injectors in it. I guess I could try, see if I have some cleaner just so you can run it for now. But yeah,
Yeah.
give it a whirl. Anyways,
That'd be great.
I'm guessing that's basically all we're doing on this fine weekend here.
It's not a very nice May long weekend, that's for sure. Our provincial parks are all closed and
Well, we got all this rain, which is good.
Yeah,
because
we
there's
needed
been
it.
so many fires and stuff going on. So.
Mhm. Yeah. No, it's a good thing.
Alrighty.
We have our own little campground in our front yard, so we're
Yeah.
good.
Alrighty. Well, we'll keep at her here. Well, boy, eh? Listen to how well this thing runs. Like a bag of hammers. Oh. Running pretty good now. Oh, there it is. That is some bad injectors. Which is all good. We got new ones, so we're gonna fix this problem. Only thing I want to do though is actually disconnect the what do you call it? Relay. I want to run the car till it runs out of fuel, so there's not so much fuel leaking out of these things. All right, let's get in there. Alrighty, well, everything's connected. Let's see what happens here. Well, it definitely sounds a lot better. Kind of thinking I gotta do plugs too here yet, but all I can do is take it for a spin. See, definitely feels, it's definitely running better, that's for sure. Definitely. Well, so far so good. It's idling, it's happy. Well, it always kind of ran good when it was going, but it definitely can tell the difference already. Guess we'll find out when Esther takes the car tomorrow. I think she's got to go somewhere, so. All right. I think on that note, I think that is where this car definitely gets up and goes now. Golly. Anyways, folks, I think that's where we're going to leave this one. I'm pretty sure Esther's going to be like super stoked here because this thing runs like a champ. The power steering is super nice. So, yeah, get a few miles on here. We'll see what other little surprises we do, but kind of got the car like bang on good for her for the next, for pretty much the summer right now anyways. So, anyways, as always, folks, I want to thank you all for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. I don't know what we're doing on here. It'll be something though.